Ball to Damola. With a strong drive. Basketball. Okay, Sadiq. Okay. Sadiq with the ball. The boom. The boom. Sadiq with the ball. Wow. Going on DJ. Okay. Yanu, Simi with the ball. Oh, some layer to the making. Ball to the bull. He's up again. Basketball. Ball to Yanu, the unguarded. Punjab. He moves in. 3 points. Oh, 3.4. Oh, another 3 points. Team is on fire. Team is on fire. I see you. Yeah, the young lad, the young MVP. The boy is on fire. Boy to team. 1, 2. Basketball. Funda. 1, 2. Basketball. Fundamental. Oh, so come back. This boy is on fire. DJ, I love that. Some big man shit, the blue, so bully. Yo, it's got people crazy. She would be crazy. Stop acting like the kid.
What are you feeling from the game?
Some aggressive driving, Superman. Keep stopping. Good driving, good feeling. The boys don't get the ball, the turnover. The ball goes in the air, erase, air ball. Erase. 2 minutes. Full rebound for Sadiq. The ball gets to Josie. Couldn't make it, the blue stopping. Okay, good rebound from the TV. Siano, some ball rotation. With some strong driving, some back pass. Not to TV. Basket, Udoni. Good rebound. Ball to Yanu. Ball to the beast. Okay, that's a very big driving. The front. Good rebound from Casey. Try shooting, good rebound from Teddy. That's a good contest, but no, you can't stop the ball.